Okay, guys, as a member of Play Store Profits, you're going to want to get a Google Play Developer account. So simply go to Google, search for Google Play Developer. You should see this come up, Google Play Developer Console. Over here is a Google Play Developers link. If you click on this link, you're going to get this page. It says, here's your developer registration. Now what I want to show you is before you begin section, there's a one-time $25 registration fee charged for a Google Play Developer Console account. That is the only fee that you're going to incur from Google, and you can list as many apps as you want in Google Play Store. Now let me show you what it looks like once you've created your account, paid your $25, got an account, you start putting in your own apps. Well, I've got quite a few apps listed here, and as you get to looking at some of my other videos, you'll notice that I do a review of Copywriter's Empire on another development platform. So in the developer console here, you can see that I have a store listing. You can see the same icon. I use all the same graphics over and over again because between the two Play stores, the videos are very similar. I use the same title for the book. This happens to be an online book. There's a website for it. So it's an online, read-it-only online type of book that's launched by launching an app on your Android device. And then you can read the book as a web-based book. There's a series of chapters and things like that. You can look it up if you're interested. I then gave a description of the app, which talked about what is the content of the book itself. You notice you can go quite long with that, 4,000 characters. Some promo text, only about 80 characters there as a max, but just talk about what is your main topic of your app. Some of your apps are merely other websites for businesses. Talk about the business, do keyword loading on all of these fields. Next, they're going to have to ask you for graphic assets. They're going to encourage you to take screenshots. They're going to give you some different sizes to take. So I've got phone screenshots here. I use some phone emulation software and do some phone shots. I have a highly responsive website that I posted my book on, so no matter what device you read it on, whether it's a tablet of different sizes or a phone, it's mobile responsive. So publishing mobile responsive books is one of my little secrets that I was going to talk about in the product section, but now I just uncovered one of my secrets. So I was able to resize my graphics and use them over again in different places. Again, you need a high-res icon, 512 by 512. Here's a 1024 by 500. That's the identical size we used on another one of the stores. A promo graphic, they wanted it 180 by 120, which was an odd size. I just turned my book sideways on that one. If you've done a promo video, of course you can launch that here. You need to talk about your application type, what category, who can look at your book, and then contact information and privacy policies if you've posted such things. Next, you need to talk about pricing. All of my apps are free so far. I've checked free on every one of them that I've made. That's an ongoing thing for me. I'm not charging the app stores. Now you can have an upsell inside your website. I'm not saying you can't do that. Distribute in these countries section. I picked, I don't know, the most common English speaking countries. You can just set it to all countries if you want. I'm not adding in any of the special features here. You have to check that it meets content guidelines and export laws, or you can't publish your app. In-app products, I don't have any. This is for more advanced games that have upsells built in, just like the Services and API tab has a lot of information you won't need right now. I will say that if you're into SEO and heavy-duty tasks with Google, you can go to your website webmaster tools and make sure that your website that you're building your app for is SEO ready and is registered with your webmaster tools and any of your other Google tools that you may use for SEO. That is just a quick overview. You can see my app is already published. Typically my apps are published within 3 hours, so you may or may not have the same experience, but that's what I see when I publish my apps. My apps are live in the Google Play Store, just like yours can be by using myMobiLauncher software when you become a member of PlayStoreProfits.com. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.